Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system. And by VaporWorks, we give you gas.
We are rolling along here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. When it comes to your vehicle, of course you want it to look great, but you don't have a lot of time, if you're like me, to make it look great. But Todd, you've simplified all that with Image Wash products. Tell me how.
We basically listen to the general public, and I've been in the business detailing for a long time now, so I always wanted to keep it simple, short, maximize my time efficiency. So I did a lot of time testing on different products out there. These are something that have upped my game in my detailing world, gaining time. I took it from that point of view and wanted to help the consumer gain some time. So we built a line that would help serve that and make it super easy, simple, get great results.
I can't help but notice the semi-truck on all of your labels. Why do truckers love your line from Image Wash products?
Truckers, they love our line because I am a former trucker. They don't have a lot of time nowadays, so they need something that they need quick, easy, fast, simple to use, awesome results, along with protectant, so they can get back on the road and do their thing.
And we'll talk about this in a second. A lot of your products are touchless, and semi-trucks are hard to reach, so outside of a brush on a stick, this is the only way to get to some of those hard to reach parts.
Yep, gets in all the nooks and crannies. Foam gives you more time to work with the chemical, the soaps. Makes it easy to get up on the higher places where you can't reach as good, and just gives them lubricity for when they're washing and stuff. Cut down on if they're brush washing or if they're touchless washing. It just helps make it move a lot faster, especially when you're outside doing stuff like that.
On your website, washproduct.com, you have a lot of packages, and here is your most popular one, and this is the one you recommend that folks start with. Tell me how the system works.
Prep, wash, protect. 3 simple things that you need for your vehicle, whether it's a semi, car, motorcycle, boat, camper, RV. You basically want to prep it with our bug remover, is a big common use to get all those bugs off. Our next would be our platinum wash, super high lubricity, scented. It's got a gloss additive in it, make that vehicle look nice and shiny. And then for your last, you want to put a wax replacement. It's America's #1 foam wax replacement. Simple to use, you foam on, let it dwell a minute, rinse it off, and you're going to be protected for up to 30 days.
30 days. I've seen a lot of spray-on waxes, stuff you spray on and wipe off. Why is this different?
This is different from the point of view of this is no agitation involved in it. So what you want to do is basically this eliminates you putting it on a microfiber wipe off. You can literally do it in the wash bay right when you're washing after you get done brushing or mitting your car down. Just foam it on, let it dwell, let it seal off the clear coat, and then rinse it off, and that's it.
And the theory being, the less you agitate, the less wear and tear there is on your clear coat, so it's going to preserve your vehicle longer.
Correct.
And once you get to needing the wax replacement, this is pretty much all you need for maintenance?
For the most part.
Once you get the car clean in the first place?
Yep. This is kind of my lineup of things I like to do on my personal vehicles. Another great thing is it eliminates doing your quick detailer. It's a good product, but why do that when you can do this for 29 days of the month and then do a quick detailer one day?
And let's talk about that. You have the quick detailer. Folks may be going to a show, want to shine up the car last minute. Motorcyclists, how much do they like the quick detailing?
They absolutely love it. From the point of view is they catch a lot of first on scene with the bugs type deal. A lot of their chrome parts, it works good for making them nice and shiny, protects them. And when they want to clean the bugs off the next time, it just makes it that much easier to take off.
Perfect. And down at the other end there, you've got the red wash and wax there. How is that different from what we have over here with the platinum wash?
The wash and wax is different from this point of view is this does not have any wax in it. This does. This to me, I love this product. It was hard for me when I was in the detailing world to find a good wash and wax that had a lot of foamability and lubricity. This product here, I worked with the manufacturer. It's great for foaming. It's great for, if you don't want to do the wax replacement, you can eliminate that and do this in place of your platinum, and you'll get some beating power. and it will also help maintain the wax replacement that's on your surface.
You have the two-step touchless wash. Over here, though, you've got the iron remover. Obviously, brake dust is a big enemy, and you can use this on that. Where else can we use it on a vehicle?
This product here was designed for brake dust, correct? But also you can use it with heavy calcium buildup, iron buildup, rust buildup. It's literally, that's its job to do, is to tackle those particles.
Image Wash Products has a two-step touchless system to make your life easier, and also an interior detailer that's good for just about any surface in there. They will even sell you the foam cannon and the spray bottles you need to get going on your project. Check them out at washproduct.com. We'll return right after this with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so don't go anywhere.